So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Urja Global share. So many people have requested to make a separate video on Urja Global. So as we have observed a lower circuit in the stock, so we'll also discuss the quarter numbers that the company has posted, and also we'll do the complete technical analysis to find out what are the next possible zones. So before we get into the video, I've discussed about Urja Global from the 7 rupees level. So already more than 300% return the stock has generated. So it's not a joke. So just in few months, it has given that particular return. And still, I'll discuss my opinion about this particular stock. So do watch the video till the end. And if you have not yet subscribed and not joined the Telegram group, so do join it. I'll provide a link in the description. Okay, so now I've opened the financial statement of Urja Global. So whatever the numbers it has posted, so we'll have a quick glance and then we'll go to the technical charts. So as you can observe, the revenue of the company has increased very well. So you can see in this particular quarter, we have seen almost 2,542.26 is a very good number as compared to previous quarters. But you can see the total expenses. If you see the expenses, so they have significantly increased. So apart from that, profits and other taxes, if you see, so those have stood very well. So there is no problem on it. So little expenses have increased and revenue also is looking very good. So and also there was some speculations, or we can tell rumors related to this particular company. So many people have asked me that the CFO of the company has got arrested or something related to some reason. So it is not officially confirmed. So if you go to that website or if you go to that BSE there, so it is not mentioned there. So I think the operators are trying to trap the retail people so as to generate a panic situation. So that's why we have observed a direct lower circuit in the stock. Right. So when I've done the complete fundamental analysis near the 6 or 7 rupees level, I have clearly mentioned what is the future prospect. So in which segment it is going to work, what are the future plans, whether it may be in electric vehicle segment. So everything was looking pretty good. And even the stock, if you see the returns, so very extraordinary returns were generated in very short span of time. So when short span of time we are getting this much results, so obviously little correction is mandatory, and the stock is also in the NSE B category. So if you are buying today, you need to hold for at least T+2 sessions, okay, to sell the stocks. So that is one thing you need to remember. And nothing much. So let us go to the technical charts and we'll see what are the reversal zones. Okay, so now we are back on to the technical charts. So first, if you try to observe the weekly chart, so we can see 2 weeks we have seen a very good movement after entering to that NSE B category, and today the starting of the week itself we have seen a little bit of a downfall in the stock, and you can see a direct lower circuit is also observed. But if you go to the daily chart, if you try to observe the daily movement, you can observe almost 4 days the stock has given an opening. If you take the complete stretch, and today without any opening in between, it has closed in that lower circuit zone. So the next important levels keep in radar is going to be the 27.50 rupees level. So keep that in radar, or even you can take the 30 rupees. So tomorrow also it is going to be very important in the coming 2 sessions. So if it does the reversal, well and good. So if not, you need to observe the 27 rupees level. Right, so these are near-term support levels. So don't feel bad that the stock is correcting. So when you have enjoyed the rally of 300% return, so obviously little correction would happen, and you need to patiently search for average opportunities if you want, or if you're doing any short-term trading, you need to think twice before you're investing in heavy quantities. So these type of stocks are strictly advised only for long-term perspective, right? So if you're a long-term investor, so then need to develop that patience and that support zones, whatever I'm discussing. If you're interested, try to put small portions. So before that, it is not recommended. Okay, so this is all about Urja Global. So nothing much to worry. So these are temporary speculations, rumors which make the stock come down, and again at some point of time they will only start retracing and you will not know that. Okay, right. So I was discussing personally from 6 to 7, and still I'll tell it's good stock only. Only thing is little correction is mandatory. So apart from that, any other queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivID. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.